You yank the pin.
Oh boy.
Good job.
I did it.
Now go for a speed run. Did it work?
No.
Yes, it did.
Cold.
Ultimate safety tutorial. How to drill a hole in a tank that you don't know is empty with a drill press. You got to get a rope and you got to open the garage door, step outside the garage door, and yeah, go ahead and open that garage door, Bean. Put a little bit of lube on there. And the only goal in this is to prove that this tank is empty. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. And we're going to go ahead and get the heck out of the way. That's an old style valve, and that's an oxygen tank. And we think we can hear some water in it. So I don't think this is going to be a problem, but you know, safety never hurts. If you can call this safety. Lighten it up, put it back down. It traveled a long distance. I think it's through. I'm pulling on this rope pretty hard. Alright. Goes all the way up. Oh yeah, I'd say I'm definitely through that tank. Let's go ahead and look and see if I can get exploded. See if I can get exploded. See what metal shavings like crazy. And let's go ahead. Oh yeah, that's through the tank. We're all good. The tank is indeed empty. And it's only an oxygen tank. I would not ever do this on an acetylene tank. I would not do this on an LP tank. I wouldn't do this on anything except for like a carbon dioxide propane, or an oxygen tank, because this is dangerous. Do not do this at home. Do not do this at home. All right, peace. Do not do this at home. One more time. It's not my fault if you get hurt doing this, because this is freaking dangerous. Bye. Success! You're ringing your bell?
Mm-hmm.
You getting learned?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Actually...
Go, go, go! Darn it.
I don't think you cut it all the way through.
Darn it. Yes! 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 Hallelujah!
Yep.
Alright. You recording?
Yeah.
I bet this works just fine. Okay. recording. Good?
Yeah.
My gas is turned off or something. Oh, my gas is turned off. Well, what do you know?
Did you weld the thing in?
Huh?
Did you screw up somehow?
I burnt the tip to the tip. Oh, we're good. It came up. You still recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to edit this.
Yeah. Something tells me my wire speed's a little off. Okay.
Enough.
You got it?
High quality clay.
This is what we're using for the little ramp and for the important parts. Nice blue clay, very little sand.
Did you already make a video down here?
Yeah, but hang on. Here's what we're doing to build the dealio McJigger. We're using clay from the stream bank.
Mostly sand and dirt.
It's a good amount of clay. Packing it down, and we're using the rocks because rocks are nice. They hold a lot of heat and they don't melt in the rain. And we're building us a nice little base. So yeah.
Start.
Alright. And this is our ramp. This is where any molten metal or molten anything we
make
put.
a spout thing down the middle.
I'm gonna put a spout down the middle, so anything molten in here is gonna run out into here and we can catch it. So yeah. We're gonna build a little dome over here with some cardboard and yeah, build it out the rest of the way. That's good.
Video started.
All right, so here's our downspout. So anything we melt will run out of here, out of the tongue. Beautiful. And we filled in the low spots in there a little bit with some clay to see if that matters, but there, see if that works. Don't think it matters much though. All right, about to build up the sides and get her all caked in.
Yeah, someone else can delete it.
House.
Probably gonna put one more layer of rocks on, right? Then call
Maybe one and then a little tiny, you know.
Call it good enough.
I'm gonna put one more big layer, then probably one more little layer.
Call it good enough till the future when it turns out to be not good enough.
Yeah.
That'll never happen.
Alright, we're good then. Taking a video?
Yeah.
Alright, take a good surround video. We got the it's starting to rain a little bit. We've been hearing thunder for a while. So we decided to call it good for now. About to start a fire in it to get it to dry out a little bit.
fire. All right.
You good, Ben?
Yeah.
Vidya.
Ooh.
Take a video of the shoot, because you can see some good fire in here.
Nice cardboard. Being quality.
Cardboard being quality.
It does sound kind of rockety.
Yep. Good. Is your video on?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, look at the smoke billowing out.
Drop phone in.
Definitely drop phone
That's hot.
in. Holy crap, I hear it, Ben.
It's really going.
It's a blazing. Dang, it's a blazing.
Working better than I expected so far.
Back up and take a big video. Take a video of the entire thing. I got stinging nettle on my leg. Yeah, it's working pretty dang well, I'd say. So now, if we want to restrict the airflow, we just put a rock in front of here or something. Once that dries out, we're not going to mar up the whatevers. But yeah.
Are we gonna buy charcoal and put in there, or just like?
Yeah, we can make some charcoal.
Make?
We can make, yeah. Just get a container, a metal container.
Oh yeah.
Fill it up with, yeah. All right, it's day 2. We had a massive rain yesterday. As soon as we got done, while we were burning, so we had to close down shop and let the flood happen. We got a bag of charcoal, and we're gonna see how piping hot we can get this thing. Yeah, I don't think any water got in it because my cardboard stayed there and my bulletproof vest stayed on top. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing lit up. As you can see, it survived the water. All these plants got flattened, but my stove stayed solid. It wasn't working out too well, so we decided to give it a little bit of motivation. Holy crap! All right, let it be, let it be. I think it worked.
Some whoosh juice flowing down the...
There's some whoosh juice flowing out. That whoosh juice may or may not be gasoline. I don't know.
I don't think so.
I doubt it. I don't remember. That was a long time ago when we put that in there.
Cardboard is soft.
Ah, yeah. I think it's going now, Bean. I think you should give it a little more motivation. Or do you think it's good? Well, at least we know our chute works.
Whoosh juice flew it straight out.
Because the whoosh juice liked it. Question is it getting enough oxygen? Must be, because it's on fire. Ah, it's beautiful. Alright, I'll update you when I can get close enough to look in there. It's roasting. I smell paint fumes. Alright. There's the core. I've got 2 big logs, about 4 inches, 3 or 4 inch logs in there. Pieces of firewood on top of a whole bunch of coals from the charcoal. I honestly think sticks burn better. It's not even being rockety right now. All right, it is day 3. Our thing's getting a little bit dry because we've been throwing chunks of cardboard on it. We are now, and it's been raining every day, really hard. We're putting some chicken wire around this, filling it with big rocks, and then we're gonna put chunks of clay on the side, like plaster, and try to get a good 2 or 3 inch, 2, 3 or 4 inch thick wall of rocks and mud around here before we get this puppy super hot, and dry it out completely and try to get it, I don't know, as hot as possible.
Uh-oh. Kind of
Alright. So we're about ready to start mixing the clay. Ben already slapped a little on there. I'm gonna peel it off because it's too dry and crappy, and because I think it's funny to destroy Ben's work. Oh darn it, about the rock. But yeah, anyway, there's what the rock tower looks like, and we're about to plaster some clay on. Started? Yeah. All right. There she is. Got a little bit of charcoal in there, and once again, charcoal is a terrible fuel for this. Well, not charcoal, but charcoal briquettes are terrible fuel because they choke their own air supply off. So in order to get this thing dried out as much as possible, we got the reef blower. I put 2 full-size pieces of split firewood in there on top of the charcoal chars. Alright, this is the last video I'm gonna make. We're still burning charcoal with those 2 logs in it. Hopefully you can see down in there. But sucky. It's going alright. I dumped half a bag of charcoal in there, and we're just gonna let it sit here and burn itself until that charcoal goes out and those 2 logs get burnt up, which will probably be several hours. Hopefully it gets kind of dry by then. Yeah, air's down inside the core.
This is the last video you're gonna make?
Well, it's the last video I'm gonna make until we have it rocketing.
Until I actually get it good.
Until we actually feed it like we're supposed to feed it to the feed hole with some real sticks or some real osage orange charcoal or something.